Granted, you gotta find my iPhone, but if you can spot it without having to do all of that, then why not just get a case that can do it for you? You know what I mean? This is lemon zest we talking. What up, squad? It's your boy CKid here, man. And today, y'all, I got Apple's brand new spring line of the iPhone 13 Pro cases right here, man, for you guys. So we got 4 of them to show you guys in this video. So I'm gonna be unboxing all these bad boys, putting them on iPhone 13 Pro right here, and letting y'all know at the end which one is probably gonna be the one that I'm gonna be rocking. And then I want y'all to let me know down in the comment section below which one that you guys are gonna be rocking out there. Also, before we actually get started, man, y'all already know the rules by now. Comment down below how many likes is on this video at the time you guys are watching it, and let's go ahead and run this bad boy up like we did on the last iPhone 13 Pro case unboxing that I did. You know, highest second view video on the channel, so shout out to y'all. All right, so the first one that we got up here, man, we got 4 different colors. So we got this one is called Eucalyptus. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy out of the packaging. Now, the one that I personally rock, y'all, before I put that on here, is I always just kind of rock just the plain Jane like clear case, just because I always like the look of phones in general, man. So I never like really putting cases on it that's gonna kind of hide it. But I'm not gonna lie, these are some of the fire cases, because one of the downside with like a clear case like this is you always kind of get like dirt that kind of get behind there, and it just kind of make the back of your phone look, you know, kind of whack. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy off, man, and let's put on this Eucalyptus and let's see what it look like. All right, so we got the first one on right here. Shout out to Terry, he texted me. Now, one cool thing you can see right there is it automatically, when you actually put like a case here on your phone that has the Magsafe charging, because all of these have the Magsafe ring in it, so they will work with Magsafe chargers, but you do get that little indication right there that you got the case on, and it looks fire. So this is the Eucalyptus color right here that you get. You can see all of its full glory. Now, this one here kind of gives me like this forest green kind of style. Now, this is actually one of the newer colors that it's close to what they came out with the brand new iPhone 13 Pro color that they just announced the other day. So you can see that right here. You also get the power button right here for the cutout. You get the volume rockers, and then the cutout here for the mute button right here. And then you also got your camera cutout with the raised lip, which is always a plus. So that way your phone, when you sit it down, it ain't resting right there on the camera. And plus, your phone ain't gonna wobble too much with that. So kind of like that. And then of course at the bottom, you got your speaker grill. You got your cutout for your Thunderbolt. You got your, I'm about to say Thunderbolt. One day, you got your cutout here for your lightning port, and then you got your other speaker grill on the side. But all in all, man, I think this is a fire looking case. Probably not the one that I'm personally gonna be rocking, but again, if this is your color, go with it. Let's get it. All right, so the next one that we got here, man, I want to call this one Tangerine for some reason, but it is called Nectarine. What is this called? Nectarine. It's called Nectarine. So this is the color, man, that you guys can expect if you guys want to pick this one up here. Now, this one is more on the lighter side, so you probably will, you know, eventually going to see like dirt kind of come up around on the corners here, just because of the nature of having lighter cases. One thing I will say about Apple cases, y'all, although they are expensive, because I think these retail for like 50 bucks a pop. So yeah, it is kind of expensive, but I will say their cases feel really good in the hands, man, and they do hold up well over time. Even like their clear cases, man, they holds up well over time, and I just think, you know, overall they look good, they feel good in the hands, which is always the most important. And of course, you know, it's going to have like that drop protection as well. It's not going to be too much, but it will be able to protect it from a little bit, like little nits and stuff like that here and there. So again, you got the cutout here for that, you got the cutout here for volume, also your mute cutout here on the bottom, which is our lightning port. I almost said Thunderbolt again. Apple, if you're listening, you know, lightning. We don't want lightning no more. We want Thunderbolt, or give us, you know, USB-C at least. We praying. We praying. We wish. But yeah, y'all, this is Nectarine that you can see right here. Let me know what you guys think. Now, the iPhone that I have is the Sierra Blue. To me, one of the better, most fire colors that you can get on the iPhone 13 Pro. You know, just, you know, biased opinion there, but hey, it is what it is. This is Nectarine, aka Tangerine. That's the color that I'm calling it. But yeah, go ahead and scoop that up. Go get it, go get it, go get it. All right, so the next one here, y'all, is probably a color I didn't think I was gonna like as much, y'all, and this one is called Lemon Zest. Now, I think personally for like a springtime, this is gonna be like your best option for sure, because it kind of embodies everything when it comes to spring. Louder colors, bold, just being out and about, man. This one here just screams like the perfect like phone case for you guys being out and about in the sun, all of that, man. Definitely dope vibes, especially if you're out and about too. You want to make sure you got a case, man, that you're going to be able to actually find if you end up losing your phone, because you know you don't want to be out here with the lost phone. Granted, you got Find My iPhone, but if you can spot it without having to do all of that, then why not just get a case that can do it for you? You know what I mean? This is lemon zest we talking. But yeah, now this is the lemon zest color, man. I think this one here looks fire. Now, one of the things that I do like about this one is the simple fact, man, with this black background that we have right here, I think it looks real good, man, with like that black and yellow or black and goldish type look. Channel colors, if you haven't noticed. But all in all, man, I think this one looks fire. Again, same cutouts as before, raised lip here on the camera. We got our lightning port, aka hopefully to be, you know, USB-C or Thunderbolt, you know. But all in all, man, I think this one looks fire. This is lemon zest. This is probably going to be the one that I rock with, but you know, you never know, because we got to see the blue one here. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. So last but not least, y'all, we have is called Blue Fog. Now this one here, y'all, I think looks dope too. Now the only thing I would say that I probably like dislike about this one, if you have a Sierra blue color iPhone, is that it kind of matches too much. For me, when it comes to springtime, man, it's all about, you know, again, being bold, standing out, being loud to a certain degree. You kind of want something that's going to offset this blue, so whereas it's not too matchy. And so for me, this one's probably not a go for me personally, just because of the color iPhone that I have. Now, if I did have a different color, then maybe I would, you know, think a little different on that. But you know, to me, just too matchy. I will say from a front side of it, it does look good because again, you got that black and you got that blue, just looks fire, y'all, I'm telling you. But again, y'all, this is the Blue Fog. I'm not gonna stay too long on this one. You see it. All right, but all in all, man, this is all of the colors you guys can get with Apple's brand new spring line. When it comes to the iPhone 13 Pro, let me know down below in the comment section, man, which one of these are gonna be the ones that you guys like or the ones that you personally gonna be rocking. Again, for me, I'm probably gonna be going with the lemon zest right here, y'all. I think this one looks fire, especially, you know, going in the springtime. Again, all of these will be Magsafe enabled, so you can't use it to be able to charge your iPhone that way. That's personally how I like to charge my phone, but all in all, man, this is the spring line. Thanks again for watching, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Squad.